is the standard German Army machine gun MG34, caliber 7.92 millimeter. It's a dual-purpose weapon which may be used as a light or heavy machine gun depending upon the mount employed. The Germans also mount it on tanks and use it for anti-aircraft fire. Here it is being fired from a bipod. It's light machine gun mount. When used on this mount, it is fed from a regular 250-round box-type belt container or a basket-type 50-round belt container. To disassemble, remove the lower part of the sling. Then press in on both legs of the bipod and pull outward from the barrel jacket. Complete the removal of the sling, squeeze the bipod legs together again, and press in on the bipod lock. Turn clockwise and separate the bipod from the barrel jacket. Press the butt catch. Turn the butt a quarter turn and remove it. Take out the driving spring. To remove the bolt, pull the cocking handle to the rear. Just below the rear sight is the barrel jacket catch. Press in on it. Turn the barrel jacket 1/2 turn to the left and remove the barrel. This completes a field strip disassembly. When the weapon is to be used as a heavy machine gun, it is mounted on this tripod. Before mounting, the sling must be removed. Set the gun on the mount, rear end first, so that the lugs are engaged in the sockets. Clamp the front end down, using the metal clamp set directly in front of the rear sight. When used as a heavy machine gun, a high concentration of fire is required, and the dial sights are attached. Only the box-type magazine may be used in firing the weapon from the tripod mount. After 250 rounds at continuous fire, the barrel must be changed. This is quickly accomplished by raising up on the barrel change lever located on the left side of the mount. Here, the weapon is being installed on the anti-aircraft mount. Spiderweb AA sights are mounted directly behind the front sight. A rear sight attachment is used in conjunction with the front spiderweb sights. Note the feed mechanism used for anti-aircraft fire. This is the saddle-type magazine and holds 75 rounds of ammunition. The special AA mount may be extended for additional height by pressing in on the extension lock pin. It is generally sandbagged when the gun is emplaced. On this mount, a full 360-degree traverse is possible.